I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Weka Explorer and selecting the Preprocess tab. Load your ARF or CSV file so Weka can inspect attributes. Once loaded, make sure numeric attributes are correctly typed and that missing values are handled, because outlier detection assumes consistent types. You should sort a numeric column or open the Visualize panel right away to see points that stand apart. If you already have filters in mind, keep them ready. Otherwise, start by identifying the attribute you want to clean. Once done identifying the target attribute, use Weka's Visualize or apply a filter like interquartile range, numeric cleaner, or remove with values to flag extremes. You should choose a threshold, commonly 1.5 times the IQR or a z-score greater than 3, because this defines how aggressive removal will be. Make sure to preview the filter effect using the filter pane and compare summary statistics before committing. If using remove with values, specify the exact numeric ranges. If using numeric cleaner, you now apply the chosen filter and save the clean dataset under a new name so you preserve the original. After saving, retrain your models or recompute descriptive statistics to verify the outlier removal improved performance or clarity. Make sure to inspect data plots again for unexpected gaps. If something looks wrong, revert to the backup file and tweak the threshold or try a different method. For example, switch from absolute removal to capping extreme values, so you avoid losing legitimate observations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.